AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. So when we talk about CD bisecting AB, let us consider that O is the point where CD cuts AB. Then since they are saying that CD is bisecting AB, it means that CD is cutting AB into two equal halves. So it means that OA will be equal to OB. So we need to show that OA equal to OB. Welcome to Mathotropism. So first step is understanding what is given and identifying the concept. So we have been given that AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to the line segment AB. So it means that AD is equal to BC, and we have also been given that it is perpendicular, which means that the angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, which are both equal to 90 degree. Then we need to show that CD is bisecting AB, which means that OA equal to OB. Now we need to take the two triangles AOD and BOC. Now in these two triangles, we now have to show that OA equal to OB means they are congruent triangles, and we know the different ways in which we can have the congruency. So depending on what type of angles and sides we have, we will be proving that. So from step 1, we know that AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Apart from that, any other side or angle if we see that DOA is equal to angle COB, because both are vertically opposite angles. So here we have two angles and a side which is not the included side coming into picture, because we have angle A, angle B and angle O, and the side AD and BC. Now the included side means it would have been OA and OB, but here the side is not the included side. Hence we are going to have the congruency rule of two angles and the side which are not included being equal. So it means when we look at the list of the congruency rules, we are going to select the AAS congruency. So as a result, by the AAS congruency rule, when we talk, we will be talking about the angles first. So triangle AOB will be congruent to which triangle? Angle A is equal to angle B. So triangle B, then O is equal to O. So O and the balance vertex of C. So triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Next, when we do by CPCT, that is the corresponding paths of congruent triangles when we take the sides OD will be equal to OC. That is the first, second and the third vertex of the first triangle will be equal to the second and third of the second, and similarly AO will be equal to BO. So thus we have shown that OA and OB are equal. So as a result, CD is going to bisect AB. Next, forming equations and solving the sum. We have that given is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. As a result, AD is equal to BC is the first equation. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, which is equal to 90 degree. Let us keep it as the second equation. Then we need to show that CD is bisecting AB, which means that OA equal to OB. That is what we need to show. So solution is, we will take the triangle AOD and triangle BOC. From 1 we have AD is equal to BC. From 2 we have angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, which is 90 degree. DOA and COB both are vertically opposite angles. So by AAS congruence, we can write AOD is similar to triangle, congruent to triangle BOC. So therefore by CPCT, that is the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, we have OA equal to OB. Thus we have shown that CD bisects AB.